This is Kelly Hill, technology reporter for RCR Wireless News. I'm here today at the LTE Innovation Summit with Dan from Rohde Schwarz, and you're going to be telling us about the cognitive radio demo that you have here.
Correct. So the cognitive radio testbed was developed by Virginia Tech University over a decade ago to further advances in research and development for 2G and 3G technologies. Recently, they contacted Rohde Schwarz to provide support for 4G or LTE, which consisted of them procuring two CMW500s to embed in the testbed to enable customers to basically generate their own experiments using 4G technologies. Mm-hmm. So,
yeah, no, they. We can start that over.
Leading question.
Yes.
We're just going to actually turn a little bit towards me.
Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep. Exactly. A good angle. Okay. Good. All right. So we'll start that over. This is Kelly Hill, technology reporter for RCR Wireless News. I'm here today at the LTE Innovation Summit in Del Mar, California, with Dan from Rohde Schwarz, and you're going to be telling us about the cognitive radio demo that's set up here.
Yes, so the cognitive radio testbed was developed by Virginia Tech University over a decade ago to further advances in research and development for 2G and 3G technologies. They recently contacted us to provide support for 4G technologies. We've provided them with two CMW500s, which have been embedded into their testbed. The value proposition is that it allows their customers to remote in and perform their own experiments, thus taking advantage of the CMW500's technology capabilities. So as you can see, there's an example of spectrum being displayed. This is the exact view that you would be getting if you were remoting in from wherever USA. You'll note shortly that there's going to be a real-time waterfall display that's going to pop up, which shows specific sources of interference in the spectrum, which is one of the key focus research areas that the university is engaged on at this moment.
Yes, we had a presentation from them yesterday on the interactions between LTE and radar at 3.5 gigahertz, which I thought was really interesting. Is that something that this testbed, was designed for?
They actually received funding from a government agency which allowed them to procure the CMW 500 based upon research that was conducted 2 years ago, and that we actually provided field support and loaned them the CMW 500. So yes, the answer to your question is absolutely.
Great. Dan, thank you so much for your time.
Thank you.